Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix follow restrictions on Instagram. If you are unable to follow new accounts or getting blocked from following people, don't worry. This can happen for a few reasons, and we will cover how to fix it. First, force close Instagram. Swipe up, then swipe Instagram away. After force closing, reopen the app and see if you can follow new accounts now. If the problem persists, clear the cache on Android by going to your phone settings, selecting apps again, finding Instagram, storage, and then tapping clear cache. For iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause follow restrictions. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, wait it out. Instagram might temporarily restrict your ability to follow accounts if you've been following too many people in a short period. This is an automatic action to prevent spam. Wait a few hours or even a day before trying again. And finally, if you are still facing issues, report it directly to Instagram. Go to your profile, settings, scroll down and tap Help Center. Choose Report a Problem. And then describe the issue and submit your report. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the follow restrictions on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.